Hey Ram Man friends. Well, I get to go over a few boosters this morning. Getting ready to send out these boosters that just got done. Of course, classic Tandem Bendix, Midland Ross, pancake style, used 71 through 74 B&E bodies. Got the classic single Midland Ross like used on the B bodies. And there. This one in particular is going back to Switzerland. It came to us. It's all done. Of course, it was checked in the shop, but because things can get knocked around and changing out boosters is a pain in the ass. I don't know if you've ever had the pleasure of changing out a Mopar booster, but back when I was a kid, 16, 17, 18 years old, even then it was a bitch. Some people take the seat out, some people don't take the seat out. Let's check this thing. Yes, obviously we have power assist because I can easily push this rear rod. The action's extremely smooth. It recovers and comes back. It's very, very smooth when you feel it. Now, of course, one of the reasons they chose this booster to use on Hemi cars and the disc brake cars is because of the large vacuum reserve. They wanted to use the most powerful booster at the time because they were planning on pushing disc brake master cylinders with 1 1/8" bores, which were quite large, but 1 1/8" bore just happened to correspond with the Imperial starting in 1962. That's where this came from. The Tandem Bendix booster first showed up in 1962 on the Imperial. They needed a booster that would drive that huge 1 1/4", 1 1/8" drum master cylinder. So, 1, see there, I still have assist. 2, 3, I have just exhausted the vacuum. So, what that told me was that the action is very smooth and works well. We disconnected the vacuum hose to it for that emergency reserve. It'd be just like you was cruising down the highway and the motor shut off. You would want some power brakes to apply the brakes, pull off the side of the highway, and that's what you just observed. That tells you that the check valve is working only in one direction, and it also tells you that besides the mechanism of action, that the can has integrity because it retained its vacuum while I was bullshitting with you. So, there we go. Super booster going back to Switzerland. Time, date, stamp. Bianchi Guard. Okay, enjoy it. Looks like it's going on well, I'm not sure what it's going on, but it's going to Switzerland. God bless you. God bless America, and happy Moparing.